Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 11. First, open your Settings app. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start icon and selecting Settings, or you can type Settings in the search bar and open it from there. Once the Settings app is open, click on the Network and Internet option on the left side. In the Network and Internet section, you will see an option called Mobile Hotspot. Click on it to open the settings for your Wi-Fi hotspot. By default, the Mobile Hotspot option will be turned off. From this window, you can select which internet connection you want to share. Under the Share My Internet Connection from drop-down, choose the network you want to use. Next, click on the Edit button to customize your hotspot settings. In the Edit window, you can set the name of your network and the password. The network name will appear on other devices, so you can choose a name that is easy to recognize. For the password, make sure to use something secure that only you know. You can also select the band from the available options, such as desktop. Once you've made your changes, click Save. Now, toggle the mobile hotspot switch to on. This will enable your Wi-Fi hotspot and turn your Windows 11 PC into a network that other devices can connect to. Next, let's connect a device to your Wi-Fi hotspot. I will demonstrate this using a mobile phone. On your device, open the Settings app and go to the Wi-Fi section. Look for the network name that you created. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to enter the password. Enter the password you set earlier and tap Connect. Once connected, you can verify that the internet is working by performing a simple search or opening a website. This helps you keep track of which devices are connected to your hotspot. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.